Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into the 2026 Honda HR-V, Honda's compact crossover that blends style, technology, and efficiency. Whether you're a daily commuter, a small family, or someone who loves weekend adventures, the HR-V promises versatility and reliability that Honda is famous for. Let's break down everything you need to know about this all-new model. Design and exterior. The 2026 Honda HR-V features a bold and refined exterior design that gives it a more premium feel compared to previous generations. Up front, you'll notice the sleek LED headlights and a wider, aggressive grille that complements the sporty front bumper. From the side, the coupe-like roofline adds a dynamic touch, while maintaining practicality with accessible rear doors. The rear gets a modern update with LED taillights and a sculpted bumper, enhancing the overall athletic stance of this crossover. It sits on available 18-inch alloy wheels that not only improve handling but also add a touch of style, interior and comfort. Step inside, and the 2026 HR-V impresses with a spacious and tech-friendly cabin. Despite being a compact SUV, it offers generous headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. Honda has focused on premium materials throughout, including soft-touch surfaces and optional leather upholstery in higher trims. One of the standout features is the Magic Seat, which allows you to fold the rear seats in multiple configurations for maximum cargo flexibility. Whether you need extra room for groceries, sports equipment, or a weekend getaway, the HR-V has you covered. The dashboard is clean and intuitive, featuring a 7-inch or available 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. A digital driver display keeps important information in clear view, including navigation, fuel economy, and driver assist alerts. Available premium features include a Bose premium audio system, wireless charging, and a panoramic sunroof for that open-air feel. Performance and engine options. Under the hood, the 2026 HR-V comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged, 4-cylinder engine producing approximately 180 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a smooth CVT transmission designed for efficiency and responsive city driving. Honda has also improved the suspension system for better ride comfort and handling, making it confident around corners, while remaining comfortable on highways. For those prioritizing fuel efficiency, the HR-V delivers an impressive 30 mpg in the city and up to 38 mpg on the highway, making it one of the most economical options in its class. Front-wheel drive is standard, with an available all-wheel drive system that enhances traction in rain or light off-road conditions. Safety and driver assistance. Honda continues to emphasize safety with its Honda Sensing Suite, which comes standard across all trims. This package includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, and traffic sign recognition. Optional features include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system, providing peace of mind for every drive. Trim levels and pricing. The 2026 HR-V is available in multiple trims to suit different budgets and needs. The base HR-V LX starts around $27,000, offering essential features with modern safety technology. The mid-range EX trim adds more convenience and style elements like a larger touchscreen, heated seats, and alloy wheels. At the top end, the HR-V Touring trim, priced around $33,000, offers premium amenities such as leather seats, premium audio, and advanced driver assist features. Prices vary slightly depending on options and packages, but Honda continues to provide competitive value in the compact crossover segment. Final thoughts. Overall, the 2026 Honda HR-V is a versatile, stylish and efficient compact SUV that caters to a wide range of drivers. It offers Honda's legendary reliability, strong fuel efficiency, flexible interior space, and advanced technology, all packed into a modern design that stands out in its class. Whether you're navigating city streets or heading out for a weekend adventure, the HR-V is a practical yet fun choice. If you're looking for a compact SUV that balances performance, comfort, and tech without breaking the bank, the 2026 Honda HR-V deserves a close look. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the overview, subscribe for more car reviews, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest 2026 models hitting the market.